What if I told you your future could be denied before it even begins, just because you don't have a credit score? And no, paying your Netflix bill on time doesn't count, even though it should. No apartment, no car, no loan. Just a polite sorry from a system that never taught you how it works. If you're 18 to 30, just starting out, and feel like credit is a secret language, this video is your translator. Let's fix that. Fast deposit $200. Get $200 in credit. Use it. Pay it off in full. This one move builds payment history. The number one factor in your score. Borrow trust. Join a responsible family member's card. Their good history boosts your score. Even if you never use the card, use less than 10% of your limit. That means if you have $500, spend less than $50. It shows discipline, and lenders love discipline. But even with all that, one silent killer can wreck your credit overnight. Never miss a payment. One slip can drop your score like a rock and stay there for 7 years. Use autopay. Use alarms. Use post-it notes on your forehead if you have to. You've just learned how to build credit from scratch. But credit is just step one in the wealth game. Want to learn how to use that credit to build real wealth? Tap the next video. Money Lessons I Wish I Learned at 18. It's packed with the mindset shifts and money strategies that turn average earners into wealthy thinkers. Your score is the key, but what you do with it, that's your legacy.